Everybody wants to rule YouTube. Hey guys, what are you doing? That's Eric Tech Stuffs back again, having a little fun. I was playing around with 80s music all day today for this package that's coming up, and I can't wait. Oh, it's from the 80s. It's a radio. Well, we all know that's not possible. I don't have that charisma. I just have random stuff keep coming in to my shop. So let's go ahead and just open up a box. We're going to be happy about it. From the 80s. Why not? This guy really did due diligence. Or lady. Unsure. But they did their due diligence in packaging this. So I'm excited. Yeah, it's a broke down box. No big deal there. Fully insured all around. Very nice. Heavy duty box. Wow. Nice. Comes with a clear channel manual. Very nice. Like that. You don't get it a lot, so we already know we're getting a Ranger AR-3500. So those are rare breeds. So we're going to put this off to the side real quick. Mic and power cord in this. Oh, guys, I take so much chance on these. Okay, so we have the somewhat rigged up power supply. I mean, cable's fine. I mean, that's fine. Not for 100 watts, but that's what it was. And then we get our mic cord out here. So we got our mic. With the 8-pin mic, but it does not have channel selections or any of that. No big deal. Most of them don't come that way. Most of them just got it with the options. But this is how I like to see radios packed. This is the way I pack radios too. Maybe we don't need the old trusty tool. And put that right there for a second. Well, how about we get this big old box out of the way? His job got it here. Now it's just unpacking this. And this is the way I like to see these radios come. All packed up. So yeah, I may need the trusty tool. Here. Ugh. A lot of packaging here, guys. That's the way it should be. The way it should be, man. This is not the way I usually get stuff. Usually, it's in just... I've had it in paper grocery bags and stuff. This is almost a painful unboxing because it's so good. Oh, let me in. By the hair on my chinny chin. Oh, pull this. This should help open things up. Goodness gracious. This is packed really nicely. Can't say nothing against the buyer on this packaging or shipping. He said it'd be out Monday, you'll get it Wednesday. My goodness, I may unpack it by next Wednesday. Wow. Wow. Yeah, we're here with the AR-3500. Very cool. Come look at the size on the back side of that, man. That's that 100-watt amp. Boom, boom. Yeah, very excited about that, man. This is in real good shape. Real good shape. Said he had an issue with the front display on this, but man, this thing's never been put in a mobile. I don't think this thing's been breathed on wrong. I don't want to do that. But man, let's go ahead and get all our due diligence out here. Put our cord to it. Put our power to it. Power up this. Look at that. It's a beast. It's a beast. Look at the size of this. Front to back. With that 100-watt amp on it. Gee. Yep, we know about these though. 3500s. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get this powered up. We're going to flip the bracket around just on the back side so we can use this as a prop. Maybe I'll just find something to prop this up with. Good God, guys. Diamond in the rough. The old 3500. 100-watt kit on the side here, or on the back. Goodness. Well, it's time to power this beautiful beast up. I was playing the 80s music earlier. Yeah, this came out. And for a while, this thing did rule the world.